My beloved children, I'm so happy that I'm able to talk to you on this beautiful occasion. I know you will all be missing your school, your teachers and your friends and your family members, and all will be eagerly waiting for the day to come back to school. This New Year and Christmas are special. Exactly 1 year before, we heard about a virus called COVID-19. Before we could plan anything, there was complete lockdown and you stopped going to school. All the countries in the world are affected in all spheres of life. All the children are also affected in their studies. Even without our awareness, we have been launched into a virtual world, a world of Google Meet, Zoom, artificial intelligence, robot, augmented reality, machine learning, everything. Now we heave a sigh of relief, when we hear about vaccine. So in 2021, hopefully, you'll all be back to school. But do you think that the school will be the same? There will be a lot of changes everywhere. Now in teaching, teachers have already been into this online teaching mode. So going back is impossible. So your teachers will be continuing with these online classes as well as offline, physical classrooms. What about you, my dear children? What's your attitude to learning? Learning is self-directed. It's your own responsibility. Now it is not the responsibility of your teachers or your parents, your own. They are all only the facilitators. You gather information from the different sources. Lot of resources are available. And let me remind you one thing, don't get addicted to the gadgets. Instead of that, invest your time in reading, in spending time with your parents and grandparents, in pursuing your hobbies or talents. Now, pursue your goals. You know why? Because in career market is actually uncertain now. We don't know. Many careers must have been removed and new jobs must have come up. So you must always have many options in life. So that find out in which area you are good in. That's very important. Life will be more beautiful, my dear children, when you are empathetic and kind to others. There are so many people in the world who really want your kind words and gestures. Without expecting anything back, you be kind to others. Now we understood how clean, we have seen that, how clean our environment was when there was lockdown. Even the animals, all the flora and fauna were so clean at the time. They were so happy. So it's our duty to make our environment pure and clean. That's our duty. You know how this month of January has got its name? Got its name from a god called Janus. It has got two faces, one looking to the front and one looking at the back. So I'm just asking you a question. This COVID-19 pandemic is actually a once in a lifetime experience, right? We must have learned something. I hope everyone must have learned something new. Experiences will be meaningless, when you don't reflect and when you don't act upon it, when you learn from that experiences. So it is high time that we must learn from the experiences that COVID-19 taught us. So just like Janus got, you look backward, you think about your life and the life of the people on the earth, and how can be different. How can you make the world a better world to live in? How can you make differences in the lives of others? Think about all these things. Think about yourself. Think about others. Be responsible. Be committed. So that's what I take this opportunity to wish all my staff, all the parents, all the students of Hosur Public School a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. A year with all happiness, prosperity, health, and all good thoughts. Thank you.